I gained over 80,000 followers in the last 9 months. और 30 सेकंड में मैं आपको सिखाऊंगा कि ये मैंने कैसे किया. So there were basically 3 things involved in this process. Number 1, most of my content included ideas that were very opposite to the boring ideas of most creators like this video. Fiverr, Upwork. Boom! 3 million views and 150,000 likes. Number 2, making lots of shit content to find what type of content performs best. अगर आप भी मेरी पुरानी वीडियोस जाके देखें तो आप भी कमेंट्स में ये जरूर लिखेंगे. But let me remind you that creating shit content is necessary to be able to create content that is not shit, because you get better in this process of content creation. Last but not least, doubling down on my best content. When I started seeing some of my specific videos with specific hooks and structures were bringing in millions of views, I started making only that type of content so that I could double my growth and show you guys how